Hello and welcome back to Today Cryptocurrency, the place where we discuss all things cryptocurrency. Today, we are going to talk about a hot topic in the world of crypto, what cryptocurrency crashed. Over the past few years, the cryptocurrency market has seen its fair share of ups and downs. From the bull run of 2017 to the bear market of 2018, the crypto space has been through a lot. But not all cryptocurrencies have been affected equally. Some have managed to weather the storm, while others have crashed and burned. In this video, we will take a closer look at some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies that have crashed and explore the reasons behind their decline. First on our list is BitConnect. BitConnect was once one of the most popular cryptocurrencies, with a market capitalization of over $2 billion. But it was revealed to be a Ponzi scheme, and its value plummeted, leaving investors with significant losses. Next up is Tether. Tether was marketed as a stablecoin, meaning it was pegged to the value of the US dollar. However, doubts surrounding its solvency and allegations of market manipulation led to a crash in its value. Another cryptocurrency that saw a significant decline is Ripple. Ripple, also known as XRP, was one of the hottest cryptocurrencies of 2017, with its value skyrocketing to an all-time high of $3.84. But the crypto winter of 2018 took its toll on Ripple, and its value plummeted by over 90%. And finally, we have Tron and IOTA. Both of these cryptocurrencies were once touted as the next big thing in the world of crypto. However, they failed to live up to the hype, and their values plummeted as a result. So there you have it, folks, a closer look at some of the most well-known cryptocurrencies that have crashed. The crypto space is still young and volatile, and it's important to do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching, and as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more cryptocurrency news and analysis. Until next time, stay safe and happy investing.